Okay, welcome back to my channel. This is FOREX. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my 2-in-1 bomb and crash strategy. Okay, this strategy works for all commodity, but in this video, I'm gonna specify and emphasize only for bomb and crash, because using this strategy for other commodities, they have different conditions and different rules. So that is why I want to emphasize on bomb and crash first, and in my next video I'm gonna show you how you can trade using this strategy and other volatilities index or currency pairs or other stocks market. Okay, so now before we go further, if this is your first time of watching any of my video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload another video on this strategy, or if I have updated anything on this strategy, so you can be notified. I'm gonna give you guys the setup for this strategy first before I show you how the strategy works and the profit I have made so far for today only on this strategy. Alright, so on my main chart, I'm in this range. I only have one indicator there, which is the alligator. Alright, let's move to where our indicator is. Alright, I have the alligator here. When you click on your alligator to add alligator to your main chart, this is the default settings. I have the 13.88553. The method is exponential applied to median price. The star are 2 pixels, and the first color is blue, red and green, and no levels. Okay, that is the default setup for alligator. Then you click on done, and the second indicator I'm having on my chart, which is this window 1, I have the relative strength index and the Ichimoku there. Alright, let's move back to our indicator. I have the relative strength index, period is 750, apply to close, star is 3 pixels, the color is green, and I have the levels here. I have the level 5, 10, 50, 90 and 95. When you're done with this, you go back and click on done, and the second indicator I'm having on this range, which is the Ichimoku. I have the Ichimoku here. The Ichimoku Tenkan-sen period is 6. Can't you send me 6? Senko Pan P is 52. Then you're feeling I have the Tenkan-sen star 1. Can't you send star 3? Up Kumo, down Kumo, Chiku span 1 pixel or 2. The colors are white. Just make sure you set up everything the way it appears on my chart like this. Then when you're done with this, you click on done. The next range, which is this place here, I am only having the MACD and the relative strength index RSI here. Alright, the RSI I'm having here is period 750, apply to close, star is 3 pixels, the color is green as well, and I have the levels 5, 10, 50, 90 and 95, and you click on done. And I'm having the last indicator there, which is the MACD. The fast MA is 20, slow MA is 100, MACD SMA is 12, apply to close, main is 3 pixels, signal is 3 pixels, the first color is red and the last color is green. When you're done with this, you click on done. If you have done all I have explained so far, your chart should look like this. Okay, Now let's get to how the strategy works. I told you we can use this strategy to catch spikes, and can also use the strategy to drive the trend. But on the 1 minute time frame strategy, you can only take 5 to 10 candles if you are willing to drive the trend for boom and crash. Alright, I think in this video I'm just only going to show you how you can trade the trend using this strategy for either the boom or crash strategy. Okay, alright, this is boom 500. For you to take this trade, or for you to trade using this strategy, you need to use the last zoom level, okay, for it to work effectively, perfectly, and in order for you to avoid false signal. So I'll advise you to use the last zoom level. Alright, the first condition that needs to be made, if you are willing to trade a trend with this strategy, okay, I told you the strategy is 2 in 1. So I'm gonna talk about the spikes in my next video. Okay, this current video I want to show you how you can trade using the trend. Alright, the first condition that needs to be made is when this mark the 8 days 90 level for boom 1000 or boom 500, and at the same time this Ichimoku line it days 90 level. Okay, and you have to wait. Okay, you're not gonna take any selling entry. You have to make sure these 3 alligator line crosses each other from above. Okay, alright, so you can see this line crossing each other. Okay, then the next thing you have to do after seeing that line, this is where we are. You have to take your selling entry. Once you take your selling entry at this point, the minimum candle you can take is 5 candles. If you don't want to be greedy, you just have to take your 5 candles and exit this trade. And the maximum candles you can trade is just 10 candle. Okay, or if you have enough equity, whenever you notice this Ichimoku line hits this 50 level, okay, you can take your TP at this point. You see where this Ichimoku line hit this 50 level, from this place to this place are more than 50 candles. Okay, that is just it for the trend. Alright, let me look for another entry on the same boom. Alright, this is another entry. Okay, the first condition we made here. At the same time this line hits this 90 level, the Ichimoku line, then your main chart, what happened next? Okay, you have to wait, let this straight line crossed each other from above. Then the next thing you have to do is just take your selling entry. This is where the cross happened. Selling entry, and the minimum candle you want to take is 5 candles. Exit your trade. You don't have to be scared. If you are scared, or if any candles spikes occur at this point, okay, I call it a sniper entry. Okay, let me look for one opportunity where a spike happened. Okay, for boom. Your first condition we made here, the second condition we made here, and this is your third condition that needs to be made. And something happened here. Whenever you took a selling entry and a spikes occur, do not be scared. Okay, I call it a sniper entry. For instance, if you take your entry here. Okay, where the if you take your entry here, even before this spikes occur, you must have taken your 5 candles, okay, before the spikes occur. But if this spikes still occur, maybe probably you are waiting for 10 candles and the spikes occur, I call it a sniper entry. Okay, so you have to take another selling opportunity here. You're still gonna place another selling entry here, okay, and still count your 5 complete candles for this trade. Okay, that is bonus for you. Okay, all right, that is all for boom. Let me move to crash. Let me check crash 1000. For you to trade a trend, okay, the first condition that needs to be made is okay, when this line hits this, let me zoom this out, finish. All right, the first condition that needs to be made, this is where the first condition we made. Your mark the line hits the 10 level for crash index, and this is the Ichimoku line that hits the 10 level as well, and this is where your three line crossing each other from below. Remember, this is crash 1000. Okay, then you are going to take your 5 to 10 candles and exit this trade. Okay, you can see this is more or less like a strong uptrend, but please do not be greedy. Please just take your 5 candles and exit this trade. They are another opportunity for you to still take. Okay, on this strategy you can figure out about 10 to 15 entry in a day. This is another condition here, another condition we made here, the second condition we made, and this is your third condition here, where these three line crossing each other from below. Then what happened? Boom. That is just it, guys. All right, so I'm gonna show you the entry I have took so far for this trade. Okay, this is my today's trade. This is the volatility 10 index, jump index, the crash, the boom 1000 and the boom 500 volatility 10 index for this trade, only for today. You can see this today. All right, please, if you find this strategy helpful, you want a second version of the strategy, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop your comment down below. Okay, all right, let's move back to our chart. Let me figure out another entry for the crash. All right, there is some time whereby your condition might have made here and you are waiting for your condition to be made here. Okay, even when your condition were made here and you took this kind of entry, okay, you took a buying entry even before these spikes, these long spikes occurred, you have exited your trade. You have taken your 5 candles. If you are waiting for 10 candles and you notice this candle and you notice this kind of spike occur, okay, this is what you just have to do. Take another buying entry from this point here and still count out your 5 candles with this trade and exit the trade. That is a bonus for you. That is why this strategy is fucking powerful. Okay, all right, let me check for crash 500 for the trend. Okay, this is about the current market. Okay, you can see this, the first condition we made here, the second condition we made, and this is your alligator crossing each other from below. And what happened next? Count out your 5 candles to 10 candles. This candle from this point to this point is more than 20 candles. Okay, exit your trade. You can see this is another entry, another entry. This is another entry, and this is a sniper entry for you. This is another entry. Okay, and as well, this is a sniper entry for you. This is another entry. Like that. You can get up to 10 to 15 entry in a day. Okay, we have 24 hours in a day, and the synthetic index are traded 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. Okay, stick to the rules, stick to the condition. This strategy is very powerful, working perfect on your 1 minute time frame strategy. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can catch spikes using this strategy. All right. Okay, you don't overtrade once your target has been made. Okay, you have to have a trading plan as a trader. Okay, you don't overtrade, because too much of overtrade sometimes can lead to losses. Okay, that is one of the strategy. You don't overtrade, you don't have to be greedy, you have to apply risk management. No matter how kind of trader you are, that is part of it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you find any of my content useful, please do make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned on my channel for the next version of this strategy. Okay, until next time, I wish you all good luck and good trading strategy.